Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. This is Mrs. Rosenblum coming to you live from WHVR studio. Today is Thursday, August 23rd, 2018. The temperature in the village of Schaumburg is currently 61 degrees. Later today, we're expecting a high of 82 and a low of 61 with sunny skies. Our pledge people for today are,
That's a lot.
Please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, boys and girls. I also want to share with you a huge compliment I got. One of our substitute teachers yesterday said the students at Hoover were amazing. She was so impressed by how well they were able to be respectful, responsible, and safe, and that really as we did all of the kickoff stations that they were really impressed by how hard the kids worked to make sure that they could implement those the rest of the year. So great job, boys and girls. Let's make today a great learning day.